lot expected in the next few hours. That decision could be taken. Arunil, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details. Remember, the BJP leaders want Devendra Fadnavis as the chief minister. Will that happen? The discussions are going to, of course, continue, and that final decision could be taken in the national capital, where all the three leaders are going to be in just some time from now. But there are leaders from within the BJP who believe that this time it should be a representation from the BJP.
132 अबव 132 भारतीय जनता पार्टी सीट है। इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन का, कोई सवाल का बात ही नहीं है। सम्मानीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब मुख्यमंत्री मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए। कोई थैंक यू।
Now, others in the Mahayuti also believe that even Ajit Pawar is in the race for the chief ministerial post. A senior leader of the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP claimed that since the NCP had a great strike rate, he cannot be ruled out from the race either.
एकनाथ शिंदे हो या सब कह रहे हैं कि उनके पार्टी के लोग कि मुख्यमंत्री दोबारा एकनाथ शिंदे होने चाहिए, उनके नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ा गया है। क्या ये पोजीशन बनी हुई अभी भी?
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है क्या। अब ऐसा जर होगा तो अजीत दादा भी तो हो सकते, उनका भी तो स्ट्राइक रेट बड़ा अच्छा रहा है भाई। क्या अब जो है ये तीनों बैठकर जो है जो भी चर्चा होगी वो सबको जो है मान्य है।
The Mahayuti leaders are also preparing to announce the new cabinet soon. Sources tell Times Now that the Mahayuti is considering a formula where every party gets one ministerial berth for every 6 to 7 winning candidates. This would mean that the BJP will get 22 to 24 ministerial posts because they have won 132 seats. The Shiv Sena could get 10 to 12 ministerial berths, while the Ajit Pawar's NCP could get 8 to 10 ministers as well. But how will these smaller allies be accommodated? The RPI president Ramdas Athavale has an appeal for the leaders of the Mahayuti. Listen in.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी जो बात हुई थी उसमें रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा पहले से हुआ था जब एकनाथ शिंदे जी की सरकार आई थी, लेकिन विस्तार में आरपीआई को लिया जाएगा ये आश्वासन दिया था, लेकिन विस्तार ही हुआ नहीं और इसीलिए तब हमको 2.5 साल में मंत्री पद नहीं मिला था। इस वक्त दलितों का हो, बुद्धिस्ट कम्युनिटी का हो, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में महायुति को मिला है। मुझे लगता है कि रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना चाहिए। एक एमएलसी और एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने किया था, उसके मुताबिक रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना आवश्यक है और हमारी आगरी डिमांड है।
So, Arunil, we spoke about the suspense over who the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is going to be. That depends on the discussions, a lot of permutation combinations on what works for the alliance. But we're told that the formula for the cabinet has already been decided. Demand is, of course, also coming from the RPI. What is the decision that has been taken as far as the cabinet formation is concerned?
Well, Pratibha, during the Eknath Shinde's government, basically the previous government, 29 cabinet ministers were basically there in the Maharashtra government. 10 from the BJP, 10 from Shinde and 9 from Ajit Pawar. Now the number obviously is expected to increase. There is a demand, an aggressive push from the BJP as well. BJP is basically pushing for 22 to 24 cabinet berths. That also includes the Minister of State portfolios. Similar is the case with CM Eknath Shinde. The entire formula has been worked out based on the number of MLAs each party has. CM Eknath Shinde is expected to get around 10 cabinet berths and Ajit Pawar around 8 to 9 cabinet berths. So number obviously will increase, and the CM post again remains a major conundrum, particularly between CM Shinde's Shiv Sena party and the BJP party. There is Naresh Maske, the close confidant of Eknath Shinde, as well as the MP from Thane. He basically said that in Bihar, BJP has compromised and despite having more numbers, gave the CM post to the regional alliance partner, that is Nitish Kumar. Why can't they do that in Maharashtra also? At least for the first 2.5 years, they should give the CM post to Eknath Shinde. Now, this is the same drama which had happened in 2019. Uddhav Thackeray was asking for CM post for the 2.5 years.
Okay.
BJP did not agree. Uddhav Thackeray went and joined hands. Obviously, Fadnavis first took sworn in with Ajit Pawar.
Yes.
It lasted only for 1.5 days, and then the Mahavikas Aghadi was formed. Uddhav Thackeray basically sworn in as CM. Now, this drama obviously is not expected to escalate so much, but it is brewing in between
Okay.
CM Shinde Shiv Sena and the BJP.
Okay, all right.